Hello, my name is Safayet Zamil. I'm working at Micronetbd as a Salesforce business analyst. I was enrolled in the Micronet career program 4 years ago. That course was only for the Salesforce admins initially, but the reason that program was different than any others is it was not just the materials or the technical skills that they taught us in the course, but also it was giving us the background of the business knowledge or the business reason behind every technical aspect of it. There are a lot of courses out there online which will just tell you how to do the technical stuff, but if you don't know the business aspect of it, why you're doing what you're doing, it's going to be difficult to improve and difficult to be successful in this industry. I took this course when I was in sophomore in college, and right after that I was offered an internship program from Micronetbd as well. So one of the other perks is that if you do well in the courses and if you stand out, you will get internship right away in Micronetbd, where you will be able to work in the client projects directly. You will be part of the client meetings, you'll be part of the project plan, you'll be part of the implementation as well. So that's why I believe enrolling in this course helped me a lot on my communication skills and my technical knowledge, because I got experience to work in the real projects. I would definitely recommend this course to everyone who wants to get started in the Salesforce industry. Thank you.